Hi, this is Abid Hussain here. Welcome to Property Vlogs, a luxury projects channel, Bangalore. I am here at this beautiful 2 BHK fully furnished apartment for rent. The super built up area of this apartment is 1804 square feet. It's completely fully furnished 2 BHK, 2 bedroom. This is the kitchen with utility. Yeah, this project has from studio to 4 BHK luxury apartments in Bangalore for rent at Bhartiya Leela Residences, Thanisandra, Bangalore. Exclusive private residences within the 5-star Leela Hotel in Bangalore. So this is a living with attached balcony. From balcony, stunning views of the 7-acre Central Park. Now let's check out the bedrooms. This is the common bathroom with all branded fitting fixtures, as you can see. Yeah, this is the bedroom 1. As you can see, the hotel view and the Central Park. Yeah, so this is the master bedroom with wooden flooring and attached bathroom. The all imported marble in the foyer, living and dining areas, and wooden flooring in all bedrooms. So this is the attached bathroom with branded fitting fixtures and finishes like marble finishes. And you can see the bathtub also. Yeah, beautifully designed 2 BHK fully furnished apartment for rent in Leela Residences, Bhartiya City, Bangalore. So expected rent for this apartment is 2,70,000 per month. And yeah, for more details, if you want to visit the project, make an appointment to visit the property. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel Property Vlogs Bangalore. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.